Hello everyone, and welcome to another recording for Bits. I think it's Tech Bits. So for this one here, we are going to be looking at Visual Studio, and if you are accustomed to developing SSIS packages in Visual Studio, and then you find yourself in a situation where you want to debug a 32-bit version of it, so you notice now that the run 64-bit runtime here is disabled by default. So that's by design. So Microsoft is really forcing us to try and run all our applications now in 64-bit mode. So what you want to do is, if you find yourself in this situation, is to make sure that you install your database engine, Access database engine, the 64-bit version, so that you can be able to debug whatever applications that you do have. And I'll put a link in the bio for this as well. So you want to make sure that you run this guy, and if you have trouble running this guy, so let's say for instance, if I go ahead and try to initiate this and you get this cannot install 64-bit version of this blah blah blah, I'm not going to go ahead and read everything there. So the easiest way for you to be able to install this is to use command prompt, and in this case I'm going to go ahead and pull in my PowerShell here. So you will want to reference where your exe file is. So in this case mine is in the downloads, and then you need to use the options of either quiet or silent, so that will force the 64-bit to run, and then they can coexist with the 32-bit one, and then from there on you should be able to debug. But remember, now you're using 64-bit, is no longer 32-bit, so whatever applications that you're having that was sending 32-bit files, make sure that now you're using 64-bit. So that hopefully helps someone, and looking forward to seeing you to the next one. Bye.